everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'm thrilled to be sharing a layout I created with our latest and our newest scrapbook collection. This scrapbook collection is gorgeous. The colors are really bright and vibrant, perfect for spring, which is just around the corner. Now this was designed by Zinnia, who is also on our scrapbook design team, and I think she did the most wonderful job. Now for my layout, I'm using this cut file which I downloaded. You can get it. It's a cut file that Paige Evans designed. She's also on our blog hub, so if you're interested you can go and have a look at her cut files. And I pulled off all the butterflies, and I'm using the original cutout just to place my butterflies in the correct position. And just because I have got my foam dots in place, I'm just going to use those now and just try and pop the butterflies approximately in the same position. And once I'm happy with the butterflies, I can start creating the rest of the layout. For my butterflies, I picked this lovely kind of brick effect pattern paper, which has these gorgeous bright colors. I did want to go with a design which was quite detailed so that you could see the different butterflies really clearly on my white background. So now that I have adhered all the butterflies to the layout, I'm going to add 2 strips to the top part just to frame everything. And for some detail, I'm just going to add a doily, which I'm going to cut in half. One part I'm going to pop on the top section, and then the other half I'm just going to pop below the photo. This just adds a bit of extra detail and also grabs the eye and also draws attention to the photo. So now I'm going to glue my strips down. For my strips, I'm using that same brick layer colored paper, and I've added a little bit of pink beneath it. And I'm going to use a second doily just to add a third element to the side so that I have my group of 3 and also a visual triangle. Now I'm going to go through all of the different embellishments, and there are so many embellishments in this kit. In the die cut embellishments, you've got these lovely little sayings and sentiments, and they are perfect for scrapbooking. And then we also have these lovely chipboard elements, which I'm also going to use. So I'm going to pop one at the top, and once again I'm going to try and find 3 that will work. So I'm just going to go through all of these chipboard elements. There are lots of fun designs on the chipboard elements, and also in the die cuts you've got hearts and circles and some lovely flowers. Perfect for scrapbooking. Here you can see me pull out all of those die cuts so that I can have a look at everything. I really like the look of that banner, and what I usually do with banners like these is that I cut them in half so that I can use them more than once. So I'm going to add 2 sentiments, one at the top, one at the bottom, and then a little banner just to repeat that lovely gray color. And I had some leftover circles which I had stamped with one of the Altenew stamps, and the colors matched perfectly, and so I thought I'd just use those as well just to add a hint of blue. So for my title, I'm going to be using this puffy alphabet sticker sheet, which comes with the Live Your Life collection. And I'm going to write the word summer with it, and then I'm going to add a little bit of journaling. Earlier on, I added a couple of enamel dots using some of the Altenew enamel dots. What I love about Altenew is that all the colors coordinate together, so you can find enamel dots with the same color and inks with the same color. So even with this collection, you will find coordinating inks that will work with it perfectly. So all I have to do now is add my journaling, maybe add a couple of finishing touches, and my layout is finished. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon with another video for Altenew. If you have any questions or if you need any information, please do visit the Altenew Scrapbook blog. I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.